Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling VoiceOver now. Press Command plus F5 or open System Settings Accessibility VoiceOver and toggle it on. Do this because VoiceOver loads its keyboard rotor and speech voicing immediately. Once it speaks, you can confirm audio output and volume. Make sure the keyboard layout and audio device are correct, since speech depends on those settings. After turning it on, try the basic navigation shortcut keys so you hear how items are announced and get a sense of the spoken interface. Once VoiceOver runs, focus on the VO modifier, Control plus Option, because every command builds from it. You use VO plus right arrow and VO plus left arrow to move item by item, and VO plus space to activate a focused control. This model avoids guessing and explains why actions require explicit focus. Make sure to open the rotor with VO plus U to switch between headings, links, or form controls, changing granularity speeds navigation in long pages. Practice these patterns until they feel natural so you can browse, edit, and interact efficiently. To finish, customize VoiceOver so it fits your workflow. Open VoiceOver utility and adjust speech voice, rate, verbosity, and keyboard shortcuts because these changes improve clarity and speed. Use quick settings with VO plus Command plus S for fast adjustments while you work. If VoiceOver stops speaking, first restart it with Command plus F5, then verify audio output and selected TTS voices. If problems persist, reboot or reinstall any custom voices. This final tuning ensures reliable narration and a smoother experience overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.